I think it's snowing because there's all these.
Did you guys go to Maria Dell?
No.
No.
We signed up and we didn't go.
That's okay, I didn't sign up and I didn't go.
Ball of energy. Yeah, keep it moving. Gonna pass it off. Get ready.
What's the point of the bonfire anyway?
Ball of energy. Oh, it's under there. Sprinkler machine! But you didn't do it off my heart. I'm right my heart.
Feel it where your heart beats. Yeah.
I've done this before. I can't do it. He was sleeping.
It's even worse.
What?
That's like
For an
pedophile.
excuse, I was like, well, he was sleeping.
What?
Because I said I thought you